What's up, Vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Let's cook and roll. On today's menu, we have some teriyaki pork chops, teriyaki baked chicken, gungo rice, and steamed vegetables. So first thing first, I have to marinate my pork chops. So I'm putting some of my roasted garlic and pepper seasoning. This thing also has onion powder in it and other niceness. So I want to get it on both pieces on all sides. Next, I'm going to pour my teriyaki marinade onto the pork chops. Guys, please don't add any salt to this at all. The marinade is salt enough. It's while I was pouring and trying to get it on all sides, I was like, girl, you need to put it into something that they can lay flat. So I changed to my little cutie right here. So yeah, put it into that nice little square glass thingy cutie. It's a Pyrex dish. Yes, and pour the marinade from the bowl onto the pork chops and get all the niceness out. I'm going to add some more of the teriyaki marinade. So yeah, get all of that, and I'm going to add some more of the marinade and some more of the roasted garlic and niceness blend as well. So just sort them out, fix them up good, and season them extra. So yeah, so guys, I'm going to take a spoon and spoon some of the teriyaki marinade onto it, and then I'm going to cover it with a cling wrap, and I'm going to let it sit for some hours. I had it sitting for some hours. After about 2 hours, I went and I flipped them onto the other side so it can soak up some of the marinade too, and then I'm cover it back and leave it till I'm ready for cook it. So yeah, cover it up. So this was from in the morning. I did this early in the morning because yes. So here are my ingredients that I will be using. Some brown basmati rice, my sweet pepper them and stuff, the seasoned pork chops, and also my seasoned chicken. And my chicken was soaking up some of the teriyaki marinade as well. And yes, gungo. So these are the teriyaki marinade, sweet teriyaki sauce, my roasted garlic, what I'm telling about, and of course my coconut milk. It smells so nice. Everything just ready, fresh and ready. Let's cook. So first thing, I'm going to skim off the cream part of the coconut milk. So this was some coconut milk that my husband had prepared and set aside, so the cream was at the top, and the oil part, the rest of it down to the bottom, and that's what I really wanted and need at this point. So I had my water boiling, and I'm going to add my gungo piece to it, and of course that nice part of the coconut milk so it can soak and cook good with the peas to enhance the flavor. So I added some hot water to the measuring cup and shake out the milk, and of course cover it and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. Next, I'm going to be preparing my chicken to be baked. So what I did was to use some of my blended seasoning, like my blend of sweet pepper, onion, thyme, garlic and such. So I put some of that on the chicken and some of the teriyaki marinade. So since I'm going to be pouring the marinade onto the chicken and bake it with it, I'm not going to put any oil in the baking tray. So yeah, put the chicken in the oven to bake for 30 minutes at 176 degrees Celsius or 349 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's prepare my teriyaki sauce. I'll be putting this on both the chicken and pork chops. So first I added some ketchup to my bowl. Sorry guys, my eyeball everything and just taste as I go along and make sure it's to my liking. So yeah, and add the teriyaki, the sweet teriyaki sauce, and just mix up everything. I felt it needed some more teriyaki, some more of the sweet teriyaki sauce, so I added it. This thing is just so good, so good. Yeah, so now I'm going to be testing my peas, and then I'm going to season the pot so it's all good. So I added the leftover coconut cream, and hubby blended up some more coconuts for me, so I had some more coconut milk. Look at it. And I added all that creamy goodness, and of course I pour some hot water into the cup them and shake it out because I want the rest of my milk. Yes, and I added some scallion, thyme, garlic, pimento powder. Yes, add it up. Salt and a tablespoon of sugar. Stir it up, cover it, and let it come to a boil. And then when it come to a boil, you taste it, make sure it good. If it no need nothing else, then you know, say we're ready now. So yeah, now that it has come to a boil, I'm going to add my washed rice, stir it up and cover it and make it cook. And the brown rice not cook as fast as the other regular basmati, but that's fine. So it's been 30 minutes, so now I'm going to baste my chicken. Yes, baste it up. May I tell you, this did smell so good. So the sauce will come from, the juice will come from the chicken when it bake, like the natural juice they mix up with the teriyaki sauce marinade when we did pour on it when I put it in the oven. I'm telling you, yes Lord, yes. So yeah, it's all good. Baste the chicken, make sure every piece gets some of the nice little juice because you need to keep it moist and nice. Yeah, and then I'm going to dip each piece of chicken into the sauce to cover it with the sweet teriyaki sauce. I am telling you, you guys need to try this. Just remember, don't add no salt to nothing. Wanna put the teriyaki marinade pan because soy sauce is in it, and soy sauce is naturally salt. So just don't do that. So yeah, my chicken them not so big. So I'm going to, so after I finish do all of the chicken pieces them with the sweet teriyaki sauce, I'm going to put them back into the oven only for 15 minutes. So I guess if you're one them big and juicy, then you know you give them 20-25. Come true chicken, looking so good, so lush, so nice. Love this. So pour all that sauce into the baking tray, get it all up in there. You know you're gonna need a little gravy for your rice, so yeah, pour it all over it, and now we that. See what there going chicken 15 minutes and I do that. So yeah, let's check on the rice and stir it up and then cover it to make it finish cook. So it's not finished yet, of course. See the water, the whole heap of water gather it. So just stir it up, okay. Want everything to be cooked evenly. So here is my chicken all done after 15 minutes. Come through, come through. Step in, clear the way, and let them in. Yes. So let's work on our pork chops. This thing smells so good. What am I say? So good. Yeah. And worse, it a marinate for so many hours. I'm telling you, it was oh Lord, yes Jesus. So pour some oil into the frying pan and let's add the pork chops. Here's the rice all done. Now we'll stir it up for see what go on. Yeah, nice. Done. So my pork is ready to be turned. This piece right here has a nice little piece of bone in it. By the way, this was for my husband. The pork chops is for my husband. And the chicken is for moi. So I'm going to flip them back over on the other side. And then I'm going to add the marinade that they were soaking in. Yes. So now add the marinade that they were soaking in, and then I'm gonna cover it for 10 minutes. Make it go on simmer, soak up, nice up. So this now is after 10 minutes. So now I'm going to add my sweet teriyaki sauce. Yes, niceness, pour in the niceness, pour it in. So then I'm gonna mix it in. Mix it in, girl, mix it in. And then I'm going to, after I mix it in, then I'm gonna cover it over each piece of the pork chops. Yes, make them get the nice juiciness all over them. Yes, pour it, girl. Give them some loving. Love on them little chops. Guys, look at that niceness. Look at it. So add a little hot water and add a little more of the sweet teriyaki sauce. Guys, please remember to taste as you go along and check if it's to your liking. You know, you want to make sure say it non-lack nothing. You have to taste. So cover it for another 5 minutes. So let's cut up the cabbage to be steamed. By the way, I changed cabbage last minute. This is not the same cabbage that I was gonna use at first. So yeah, you cut these nice and big, because since it's for steaming, you don't want to do it too fine. And be careful, watch them fingers. So for the carrot, I'm going to cut these into short strips. I'm like do them like these too. For this so that you know them pop out more. You can see them. You must say hey and I wave to you, you know. The cabbage now just overpour it, but you know you get a little pop of color here and there. Here is my beautiful pork chops. There's the beauty. So I'm gonna pour some black pepper on it, and that's it. All done. Check it out, all done. Done. So I added some olive oil to my wok, and to that I added some sweet peppers, onions, scallion. Yeah, the works. And I added some thyme, pimento powder. Stir it up to incorporate all the seasonings. And by now I mean the smell is just boop, 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 boop. Like it just a kick you so. You know you have to try defend yourself in the kitchen. So good. Love it. And then you're gonna cover it for about 2 minutes. So this is after 2 minutes. Get a mini facial right there. So now that the flavor of these are bursting, I'm going to add my cabbage and carrot. Add some salt. Straighten them up. Add some salt, black pepper, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. And now you're gonna try to mix it up, cause the pot ram, you know, like them busty. Where I got a country or I got a tree ram up and and a gyro ball. Come no man, me have space for you. I'm small up on yourself, small up yourself where? Yeah, it full, but hey. And now this is it after 4 minutes or so. And here it is all done. You don't want to steam your cabbage or stuff too long and then make it just get soft, and so you know if you have a nice little crunch. Vibes fam, ono say we ya are we this. Are we say roping all of the news station them? Cause we have to report this. Call the international station too. Cause this year so it can't only stay local. No, it have to go abroad. It have to go abroad. This have to go international. Look, come through. Cabbage. No, carrot. You're pretty though. You look so pretty, guys. Oh no, look there. Look pan my teriyaki pork chops. Talk to me in the comments there. Talk to me in the comments. So I wanna say, talk to me. And my baked chicken is looking oh so beautiful, so lush. Guys, this was so delicious, right? And it wasn't about just the look. Me I tell you, say the taste sell all the way off. And it just looks for my thing. Yeah? It tastes good. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and new watchers, please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. God bless you guys. Thanks so much for the support.